absolutely beautiful bike. He's got it done up right. Wow. What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got this beautiful KTM 1190 RC8. We're gonna be rolling with the boys back here. We got the R1 gang, we got the Triumph gang hanging out. We got K over here in his Tesla, and I've never ridden one of these, so I'm super excited to get it on and give y'all my honest thoughts. This is a unicorn of a bike. I think I've only seen like 2 or 3, and I've been riding for 8 years now. So special treat for y'all. But all right, we're in a little bit of a hurry, so let's get this cold start going. Baby! Super analog dash. There's absolutely no tech or anything on this bike. All raw, which is what I like because that's how I started riding. Sounds good. Like it's a good mix of like a Harley sound and also like a sport bike sound. I'm not sure what exhaust has got on there, but all right, let's get on here. The boys are ready to roll. Seating position, like you really sit inside of this bike, which is crazy. Like I am deep in there, man. And the cool part is that you can make so many adjustments to this thing. Like you can adjust the clip-ons, the seat height, like, and really set it up for how you want it to be. Yeah, I'm like really comfortable right now. No cap. Really comfortable. And K drives that Tesla like he's on his H2, dude. No mirrors. We're in beautiful sunny California. A Saturday, this is perfect out here, man. They're really making me want to move out here.
I look like stressing, I be finessing, Dolo in my section, built like a blessing. I look like stressing, I be finessing, got my muscle flexing, my money stretching. Yeah, ain't sweet, ain't funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it. Big bands like a main event, already paid the rent. Feeling like winning my favorite. Boy, I was made for this. Flex mode on gym rat, I been that young.
I don't know where I'm going, so I'm gonna let them lead the way. But this thing feels so light, like really light. It's crazy how analog this thing is, but I love the raw feeling. This thing sounds really good. Like I feel like I should be on my Harley. As y'all know, I had a V-Rod muscle. Like the sound reminds me of the Harley, but like I'm sitting on a sport bike. My mind's like, what the hell is going on right now? Yeah, just so y'all can get a better look at it. I mean, pristine, absolutely beautiful bike. He's got it done up right. I'm not sure what exhaust that is, but it's got Marchesini wheels on it. That's what I have in my 1299. That's pretty cool. It's got Brembo brakes. Yeah, this thing looks good. I love the orange. KTM orange. Yeah. Yeah. And there's nothing else that needs to be said besides, yep, that's it. There's no quick shifter or auto flip on here, so I actually gotta shift the bike. Tell me that's not kind of cool. Like this brings me back. Like you actually gotta ride this thing. Look at that. Oh is sick. What is my life? Like, this is insane to me. I'm out here in Los Angeles, riding a KTM RC8. Now, in Kay's video, he said it was slow. This does not feel slow to me. Like, the person must not have been paying attention. It does redline at 10.5, which is kind of low, but this is a V-twin. I'm pretty sure it's a V-twin, which is why it kind of like sounds just like a Harley. Now, I really want this highway to open up so I can really like give her the beans. Like, you think that's just a characteristic of the inline four, but I'm impressed. Like, it pulls like, yeah, as soon as it hits 8K, like, it's like, all right, we're going. And these bikes, I'm pretty sure we're track focused bikes, obviously, but like the L twin on my 1299, it has no top end. Like, that's a straight low end to mid range bike. I'm impressed, man. Like I said, it feels light. None of my shenanigans. I hate that though, when you pull up next to someone and they start speeding up as I'm speeding up. I'm like, you trying to race? I don't know where we're going. That's a cool old school. That R1 sounds good. I really like the sound of this thing, and I love bikes that sound different. So like the V4, the R1, the Aprilia, like I love how they just sound so unique. Like you hear one and you can probably tell what bike it is just from the exhaust note. But it's like an inline four, I mean, it could be any of the Japanese bikes or a Beamer. It tells you the outside temp, average MPGs. What else we got? We got a lap timer here. Next service, engine map. That's cool. They have maps on, I guess this was a 2014, I think he said. I mean, like I said, I love the adjustability of it. I love the sound. And once you get about 8K on this bike, the power feels phenomenal. And he told me he's got it more so set up for comfort versus like racing. Yeah, this thing feels really light too. Like this weekend I rented a R660 and it feels pretty comparable to that. I'll throw up the numbers of the weight up on the screen. Like, I feel at home on this bike. Like, I don't feel uncomfortable on it at all. Like the R660 I'd adjust to. The RSV4 did feel comfortable as well. The torque is there though. Like, it's like instant torque. Yeah, that feels good. I think we are headed to Dainese, either there or we're going to Ducati and Newport Beach. Hearing all these bikes together though, like the sound of the R1s with this bike sounds nuts. I mean, I'm impressed, man. Suspension is definitely very soft, but I'm sure you could adjust it. You gotta remember, I'm 230 pounds, so most suspensions aren't set up for riders my size. Oh, this is cool. They actually have a Dainese store. I probably am saying that wrong, but I've never seen that before. That's pretty dope. The Triumph sounds good. Man, I like it. It feels good. I thought it was gonna be slow after watching K's video, but it's definitely not slow, and it's got some top end for like a V-twin.
Yeah, it moves pretty quick.
Yeah, I was shocked. I was like, wow, this thing actually kind of pulls, man. Unless we had a little bit more room, and of course I'm doing that pull, and I look to my right and I see the cop. I'm like, but I don't think he was clocking anyone. He was just sitting there.
Is it comfortable sitting on too?
Yeah, it's that the sitting position is comfortable. It feels light. It sounds good. Like, I didn't know it had the Marchesini forged wheels on it too, because those are the ones they put on the Ducatis. Wow. All right, KTM, I see y'all doing a little something. I like it, man. But y'all comment down below. Is this something y'all want to see on the channel? Do y'all like this bike? Do y'all not like this bike? What do y'all think of the looks? Do you like that it's all raw with no electronics on it? I actually kind of like that. It has a little flair, a little personality to the bike. But yeah.
Definitely not something you see every day.
No, not, like I said, I've only seen like 2 or 3 of them ever. Yeah, very rare bike, man. And he's got it done up right. This one looks really good. But yeah, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. We're gonna check out what's in Dainese. I don't know when we're gonna come back, but we'll say bye to the boys. Let's go. It's been a good day so far, and we're just getting started. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the FastLaneD gang. Baby.